for another calendar routine. First, we're going to add another day to April. So yesterday was April 1st, so what do we need to put right here? That's right, it would be the number 2, April 2nd. Now let's look at what day of the week it is. We're going to look right up on top, and I see one of our new digraphs, the TH. Do you remember what sound TH makes? That's right, it goes. So I think this day must be Thursday because that's the only day of the week that starts with a sound. So today is Thursday, April 2nd. Now we're going to graph the weather for today. I'm going to look out my window and see what the weather is. When I looked, I saw that it was partly cloudy. So I'm going to add one more block to partly cloudy. I'm going to put it right down here because when we make a graph, we always start at the bottom and go up like we're building with blocks. Take a minute and graph what the weather is like where you are. We're going to add one more to our days of kindergarten, so I'm going to add one block. How many does this give me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you remember what happens when we get 10 blocks? That's right, we need to add, we need to get rid of all of those. We're just going to drag them down here for now. And we get to trade those in for a bar of 10. So how many bars do I have here? Let's count that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to change my 3 to a 4. Down, across, and down some more. That's how you make a 4. Now I don't have 9 blocks up here anymore. I have 0. So I'm going to erase my 9 and make that into a 0. So now let's read our new number. We've had 140 days of kindergarten. So let's count to 40 today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Great job. Today, let's look at a word problem. I'll just read it to you to start. There are 2 yellow flowers in my garden and 8 blue flowers in my garden. How many flowers are in my garden? So what do they want us to do to these numbers? They want us to add them together. So is our answer going to get bigger or smaller? That's right, it's going to get bigger. When we put 2 things together, our number gets bigger. So let's look at what numbers we need to add together. Read the sentence with me and we'll stop when we see a number. There are 2. Good, so we see the number 2. There are 2 what? Yellow flowers. So we'll underline yellow flowers. Now let's keep reading, and when we find a new number, we'll circle it in green. In my garden, and 8, that's another number. Let's circle the number 8. There are 8 what? Blue flowers. Let's underline blue flowers. Good, so now we know what we need to add together. So we need 2 yellow flowers. So I'm going to drag up 2 yellow flowers. What else do I need to add? That's right, blue flowers. I need 8 blue flowers, so let's drag those up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, how do I figure out how many I have all together? That's right, I count all the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I need to make this into a math sentence. What's the first number I'm adding? That's right, I can look at the number I circled. It's the number 2. I have my plus sign, that means I'm adding. What other number am I adding? That's right, I'm going to look in the green circle. That's the number 8. Make an S and come up straight. And how many did that make all together? Let's count one more time. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our math sentence says 2 plus 8 equals 10. We'll see you tomorrow for some more calendar.